Ito yung short clip ni DDS attorney Levito Baligot na pinagba-viral ng mga DDS. So panoorin natin kung ano ba talaga ang laman nitong short clip na to kasi clinic farm ng DDS, okay? Ang tawag dito sa style na to, nilagyan nila ng edit, you know, very great edit actually, di ba? Kaya pinagba-viral ng mga DDS kasi nga hindi lang sa editing kundi sa pinagsasabi ni attorney Baligot. Ang tawag doon clip farming, okay? From his extensive and long interview ay ito yung highlight na gustong pag-viralin ng mga putang inang DD shit.
It is worth noting here, Mr. Baligot, that the Philippines withdrew from the ICC in 2019 after the court decided
So, di ba? Galing nung edit, no? May mga ganun pa.
to open an investigation into Duterte. So what is the court's legal jurisdiction in this case?
That is one serious problem here because the Philippines withdrew from ICC in 2018
Shit. Kita ako dun nakahubad ako dito eh. Kita yung silhouette ko. Putang ina.
and the ICC residual jurisdiction
Ang sabi niya, residual jurisdiction. May term bang ganun? Attorney Levito Baligot?
should have ended a year after or on March 2019.
So should have ended a year after yung sinasabi niyang residual jurisdiction that does not exist at all. Walang ganong term, Attorney Baligot. Saan mo nakuha yung ganong term, galonggong? Lawyer ka ba? Kaya ka tinatanggal ng mga clients mo kagaya ni Ben Hurluy
But the ICC investigators first came in the Philippines in December of 2023 or after almost 4 years when the right of action already
There's no such residual jurisdiction and then yung sinasabi ng right of action. Ano ba, di ba? Okay, lawyer ka nga, pero syempre ibang domain na to This is already international law. This is already ICC. And hindi naman ganun kahirap basahin o intindihin yung pinagsasabi ng Rome Statute. Ang tawag doon is statutory construction. Hindi naman mahirap yung wordings. Pero parang hirap na hirap si Baligot umintindi.
lapsed. So
Nag-lapse na daw. Kasi daw yung 1 year daw na residual jurisdiction na pinagsasabi niya na invento niya.
I don't know how ICC derived jurisdiction when its residual jurisdiction had already lapsed.
Because there's no such thing, Attorney Baligot.
Yeah, it's a very, very good point. I appreciate
Very good point. Sinabi naman nung walang alam na Juan na anchor ng Russia Today.
that, Levy.
Okay, so ano ba yung pinagsasabi ni Baligot na residual jurisdiction na kung saan may 1 year rule daw, term na nag-expire na daw? Okay, actually, he's referring to the Article 127B ng Rome Statute. Ito yung Rome Statute, okay? Article 127. Hindi nga misspoke Bobo lang talaga siya Hindi niya alam yung pinagsasabi niya. It's residual obligation. Okay? Simpleng pagkakamali pero napakalaking impact kasi pinagpalit niya yung obligation to jurisdiction. Kasi napakalaking impact Hindi naman jurisdiction yung pinag-usapan dun kundi yung obligasyon ng member state habang member pa sila ng ICC kagaya ng Pilipinas. Kasi kung natatandaan nyo, nag-file ng case si Attorney Sabio, okay, and then supplemental si Trillanes after that, noong 2017, April. And then, nag-notify ng withdrawal ang Duterte administration ng March of 2018. Nag-take effect yan noong March of 2019. Yun yung sinasabi ni Baligot na 1 year. At yun yung binabanggit dito sa Article 127's 2. State shall not be discharged by reason of its withdrawal daw. Kahit nag-withdraw ang isang state, kagaya ng Pilipinas, ay hindi siya ma-discharge sa kanyang obligation. Yun yung tinatawag na residual obligation. At tatlo yung obligation na yan ng Pilipinas sa Rome Statute. Unang-una, makipag-cooperate ang Pilipinas sa ongoing investigations and proceedings before the withdrawal took effect. Diba? Nag-file si Sabio 2017. So before yan ng withdrawal. Pangalawa, respect ongoing legal processes already initiated ng ICC. At pangatlo, fulfill commitments incurred while being a state party. Yun yung hindi alam ni Baligot. Actually, gumawa na tayo ng post about that. Okay, ito yun. Na sinasabi nating mali siya. Kasi nga, BO si Baligot. Hindi niya alam ang pinagsasabi niya. Gumagawa pa siya ng term na residual jurisdiction daw. Ang bobo.